Hi everyone, today we are joining the dark side. This is currently how I feel with switching from silver to space black, but I am so excited. Hey everyone, and welcome to it. Today we're unboxing the brand new M4 MacBook Pro. If you're new, welcome. I'm Julia. I make tech and lifestyle content, and I would absolutely love to have you here to stick around and subscribe. I may or may not have a new pink iMac unboxing coming later today too, so make sure you subscribe and stick around for that. Now I will say I'm not a professional and my content is not super technical because I like to give my thoughts and reviews from a normal person's standpoint, so I won't really be going into the specs much, and I'm going to try and break things down into language and terms for the girls, but it's gonna be a good time. So here it is. I'll be honest, this box is actually pretty heavy, but wow. Okay, so the new MacBooks come in 14-inch and 16-inch for sizes. As for color, they come in space black or silver, and then there are a few other options that you can choose to upgrade. So personally, I got the 14-inch with just the plain M4 chip, 2 terabytes of storage, and then I did get the nano texture, which I cannot wait to see and test out in this video, and then the space black color, obviously. All right, so let's get this out of the box. All right, let's take a look inside the box. First up, we have goodies. All right, let's open up what's in here first to see something. What is that? Ah! So I have the little instruction pamphlet. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro, more instructions, or disclaimer, I don't know. And then we have this guide for cleaning the nano texture display. It says only clean with the included polishing cloth. If you have any hard to remove smudges, use 70% isopropyl alcohol. Do not spray directly on display. Huh. It's telling you, like, don't use liquid. So there's this cloth. It's a very, stop, there's a little Apple logo on it. Wait, why is this like my new favorite possession? It's so soft for obviously polishing the texture. Oh my gosh, okay, well I can't wait to try it. We'll put this away for safekeeping. And then there's nothing else in here. Searching real hard for some stickers, but nothing in there. Okay, so we have the Apple logo on it, the plug, and then USB-C. But now I am so excited about this. Do we see this right now? It's a black braided cable. I love it. I love when they match the colors of the smallest little details to the color that you pick. So let's open this. It is the magnetic charging right here with USB-C on the end, and it's a stunning color. I'm excited because I'll obviously be able to easily tell which one is the charger if it's ever thrown in with my bag of other tech stuff, but I feel like that looks really sharp and really nice together, so I'm pretty excited about this. All right, here it is. Also, before I unwrap this, I just wanna make it very clear that you do not need to upgrade your MacBook every year. If I weren't a tech YouTuber, I probably would still be rocking the M1 MacBook Air probably, so these products should be lasting you years, okay? So the only reason that I upgrade every year is for this, for my job, to give you guys reviews and opinions. It's just part of being a tech YouTuber. So thank you all so much for watching this video right now and helping me be able to get these new products. But let's go ahead and open it. I'm really nervous to see the color. Wow. I'm like in shock right now. I'm not used to this color at all, but it looks so professional and so clean, but I like it. Oh, it's like that best feeling when you know this is about to be your baby. I currently have the M3 MacBook Pro in silver, and I use it every single day. It is definitely like one of my favorite products other than my phone. So just knowing that this MacBook and I are about to be best friends is the best feeling. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It looks so nice. Wow, I need to find a way. Hello? I need to figure out how I can show you guys this display because looking at it right here, I'm like entranced by how it's almost like it looks matte, but it's not, it doesn't have that feeling. Hold on, we need that experience again. I love it. Oh my gosh. I was so entranced by the nano texture the first time to give you guys a reaction, but wow, okay. First thoughts, I feel very professional with this color. It's almost looking kind of like a space gray on camera, but, which honestly, I don't really know. I feel like though, when you look at it with the keyboard, that definitely brings it all together and makes it look like that nice, sleek color. Wow, 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 wow. And is it time? I already got fingerprints on it. Wow. Okay, wait, I'm kind of obsessed. Once again, I had space gray products when I first ever started unboxing products, and then I kind of moved into like the starlight and the silver. But now, being back to the dark side, being back to my roots, it's kind of, I don't know how to feel. I'm really excited though. Okay, let's start this thing up. Hello everybody, it is another day and I have customized my MacBook and set it up, and I've been testing out and using it for a few days now, and it's safe to say I'm obsessed. I've now edited 5 whole videos on this thing and it is a powerhouse. I was exporting multiple projects and it was going so fast I didn't have the rainbow spinning wheel of death once, which was awesome. I think my favorite thing though is how portable this thing is. I'm able to take it with me to a coffee shop, to the couch to edit, and I can still do the same amazing capabilities as I would on my iMac. So very excited about that, but I wanted to show you guys what I first did with customizing it. So let's go through some of my customization tips. These are some of the things that I personally do right away whenever I first get a new Mac. Okay, first things absolutely first is to change the wallpaper. I created this one myself with Canva and I put it on my website, juliakrist.com, if you guys want to download it and twin with me. And then next up, I start getting messages on my MacBook and I do not like to have those turned on. So I will usually go into the settings and turn that off. So you go up to the top and click iCloud, and then here it is. You just toggle that off and it turns it off. Obviously this is personal preference, but I prefer not to have my messages on my MacBook because if I'm working, I don't want to get distracted by my messages. Then we're gonna head in and change our folder icons. So find one you like, make sure it's a transparent background. This one will be on my website too, but you open it and then click Command A and Command C on your keyboard. Then what you'll do is create a folder, and then you'll right click and click Get Info. You'll head up to the really tiny folder in the top left corner and then click Command V after clicking on it. So that's how you change it. And then I obviously will change them all. You can make them different. You can do whatever you like. I have some options on my website for folder icons as well. Next, we're gonna customize the dock. So I like to clear it out and remove the apps that I know I'm not gonna use so that it's just less cluttered. You do that by right clicking and then remove from dock. So once I've cleaned that out, we're gonna go into settings, then into desktop and dock. And here we can change a lot of things like the size. I like to toggle this to where it says automatically hide and show the dock so that it's not all down there unless you head down there, which is nice. We're gonna change the magnification. Again, this is all personal preference. And then you can also change the size of it as well. So I like to make mine just a little smaller, but that's how you do all that stuff. Next, we are going to make some widgets. So you do this by right clicking on your screen and then clicking edit widgets. I like to add a clock. This one's really cute. It's just on your MacBook already. I also like to add a reminders one because this is how I make my to-do list. So you add it and then you'll right click and then you can get into the selection for whatever list. So I already have one created, but you can create your own. And then it shows all your tasks, and you can even sync it between your phone and your other devices, which is really nice. Then I just kind of shift everything around to make it look good, and it's so cute. I think this turned out adorable. All right, now I thought it would be fun to go over some of the new key features of the new MacBook Pro. All right, I'm going to test out the new center stage camera, so watch me move. Oh, it's moving with me. This is so cool. And then at the top, I can actually, wow, why does it look like better up there? Okay, we can do portrait. Ooh, nice little blurred background. Studio light, oh wow. Reactions, I love these. Where are you? Thumbs up. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm back. Back like I never left. We're at Apple Park. I wonder if I can do a virtual cartwheel through the FaceTime camera. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Wow, my gosh. I think it's more fun because I've actually been these places, so it's so fun. And you can also choose your own picture if you wanted, but okay, really fun. Center stage off. So now it's not gonna follow me, but if I turn it on, it's gonna follow me and put me in the center. Wow, that's so fun. Cool, glad we tried that out. Okay, the next thing I really wanted to try out was iPhone mirroring. So basically you can have your phone right next to you on your Mac and be able to control things from your MacBook, which is so cool. So it wants me to unlock my phone, which I'm doing. Okay, now I have to enter my Mac login. All right, a little change of scenery, had to come inside. Here we go, require Mac login to access iPhone. Sure, why not? And here we have it. As you can see, there's my phone. I can swipe across it like I'm literally using, this is actually crazy. So I can get on Instagram and scroll my feed. I can even add to my story. Oh my gosh, and then it goes from, this is my photos from my phone camera roll, and I'm swiping and I can add a filter like I normally would from my phone. Let's see if we can add some text. Just do a little heart. Done. Okay, that is actually so nice. Then you just click down here at the bottom to, you know, move around. I can even write out some emails. I can join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. Let's do it. And the second that you open up your other phone, I have a little notification right here that says it's being in use right now. But if I open up my phone, it's going to turn off. So really cool. I'm a big fan of that. I feel like that'll be great for multitasking and getting things done. Okay, and then my Apple Intelligence loaded up as I was editing this video. So I wanted to show you guys just like what the little setup looks like. So here is me setting up my new Siri. I just had to say a bunch of different commands and she got to know me. We're besties now. But basically set it up and then you could even choose a different voice for her if you wanted, which is kind of cool. But I'm really excited about the type to Siri option. I think that'll be really nice. But then next up, I really wanted to try out the different ways to format and rewrite text. So typed out a little random message, tried to add in some typos and informal text so that when it rewrote it, it was really nice. So here's me trying it out. It's really cool. I'm really excited to see how this will actually help me in my work and all that good stuff. So now I'm just playing around with it at this point, but it's really interesting to try out. I suggest it. As I've mentioned, my pink iMac unboxing is going live later if it's not already live, so head on over to that video next and watch that if you want to. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern time, so I'd love to have you here as part of my family on the channel. I'll be doing a whole video about MacBook Apple Intelligence tips and tricks, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.